Hello, what's going on everyone? In today's video I'm going to give you the answer for this question, and the question is, what candy bar was named after its inventor's family horse? Well, now I'll give you the answer for this question. I'll give you a list of the option first, and here's the list of the option. The very first option is Butterfinger. Second option is Snickers. The third option is Baby Ruth, and the very last option is Kit Kat. And here is the correct answer for the question. The correct answer for the question is Snickers, and here is the reason why Snickers is the correct answer for the question. The candy bar named after its inventor's family horse is Snickers, not Butterfinger, not Baby Ruth, nor Kit Kat. Snickers was created by Frank Mars and named after his favorite horse, whose name was Snickers. This popular candy bar consists of nougat topped with caramel and peanuts, coated in milk chocolate, while Butterfinger, Baby Ruth, and Kit Kat are all well-known candy bars. They were not directly named after a family horse like Snickers was. Making Snickers was a correct answer in this context. So that is the correct answer for the question, Snickers. Hi, thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video is very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing this channel. Click this subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. And if you find this video is not really good, or you don't really like this video, or you kind of feel that it's a little bit offensive or something like that, you can click this one, dislike button. You can do that anyway. And if you want to share this video with your friend, you can share it by clicking this share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish that is currently available at this time, like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and many others, right? And if you want to add this video to your playlist, you can click this one. You can watch this video later, and you can find more options by clicking these three dots. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye. See you again.